Welcome to the Turbo 3 cash machine. And the reason why it's a cash machine is imagine yourself going to sleep at night and setting up a 24-hour one-page website, this pretty much exact website, and it earning you $3 multiple payments on autopilot. And let's say that in 30 days you were to sell 1,297 sales. That's 3,891 extra dollars. Like, could you imagine that? And pretty much, it has all the details involved on this site that, that should anyone have any questions, it will answer the questions for you, all laid out in one page. It's connected to your PayPal account and it goes through directly to your PayPal account. If you were to do 5 sales per day, that's an extra $15 per day, and that'll be $450 extra per month. Like, what would you do with that kind of money, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, the website is only a one-time payment of $3, and it only takes a matter of about 30 minutes a day of work, and you can pretty much, the more work you put in, of course, the more money you'll make. But just, like I say, frequently asked questions or whatever, it answers all of that. It answers everything that you need to know. And normally, it's usually $47. That's usually what they charge for this. But today, it's $3. So buy it now for a one-time payment of $3 and not have to pay any more again outside of your own advertising costs. And this is a perfect starter website for anyone that's trying to do anything online and make extra money. If you're trying to get paid, if you're trying to get paid by while you sleep, then 24/7, like, you never know when someone's gonna come across this website and be like, this makes sense. This is less than spending money at McDonald's on a 4 for $4 or Wendy's and buying a 4 for $4 and not getting any return. Like, you're gonna spend $3 and it's pretty much a guarantee that in your first 24 hours of driving traffic to your website, that someone's gonna be interested and they're gonna buy the website. So, like I say, if this is for you, if you feel like this is something you'd be interested in, definitely fill out the information, and I'll definitely see you at the top. And like I say, the description down below will have the website and all the information that you need, plus other websites and opportunities that I deal with and that I promote in the best way to make money online. And like I say, just check it out and let me know what you think, and we'll see you at the top.